In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Ads to HubSpot. This process is pretty straightforward and should take us only about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First of all, you'll need to ensure you're logged into your HubSpot account. If you haven't signed up yet, go ahead and do that first. Once you're in, navigate your way to the marketing section on the dashboard. Under this section, you'll see an option for ads. Click on that, and it'll direct you to HubSpot's Ad Management section. This is where all the magic happens, as it allows you to manage and track your various ad campaigns with efficiency. Next up, if you haven't connected an account before, you'll notice a button saying Connect Account. Go ahead and click on it. A panel will pop up, and from the options that appear, you want to select Google Ads. This step is crucial because choosing the correct account type ensures that your campaigns are correctly synchronized for better performance analysis. After selecting Google Ads, you'll be prompted to log in to your Google account. This is a necessary step because HubSpot will need access to your Google Ads account in order to manage and track your ad performance. Make sure you log in using the Google account that holds your ads information. Once you're signed in, you'll be asked to grant HubSpot access. Giving this permission enables HubSpot to retrieve ad data and provide you with valuable insights and recommendations on your ad strategies. Moving on, when prompted, select Gmail as your email provider. This might seem like just another click, but it's pivotal for maintaining secure and seamless communication between your accounts. Now, you'll get redirected to a Google login page. Here, you need to again grant permissions, but this time, it's for HubSpot to access your Gmail account. It's important to pay attention to the permissions you're granting to maintain the security and privacy of your accounts, while allowing HubSpot to send updates and notifications regarding your ad performance. And that's it. You've successfully connected Google Ads to your HubSpot account. By establishing this connection, you can now efficiently track your ads' performance right from your HubSpot dashboard, gaining powerful insights with ease. Remember, there might be a slight delay for all your data to fully sync, but once it does, you'll get to explore comprehensive analytics that'll aid in shaping your future ad campaigns. So, there you have it. A quick and easy guide to connecting Google Ads to HubSpot. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy marketing, and see you in the next video.